Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your email in Glassdoor app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your email in Glassdoor app, all you need to do is simply tap on the Glassdoor app itself. So once you tap on the Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile option. Once you do this, you need to now tap on the update profile on web. After doing so, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, you will end up in this page. So here you need to simply tap on the profile like icon besides the bell icon, then hit on the settings option, and from the settings you need to tap on the email and passwords option and go in the email address section. There, to change your email, you need to type in your new email address and type in the password of that particular email and hit the save button. Once you do this, your email on the Glassdoor app will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.